3 side hustle ideas that will make a lot of money for you this quarter 4. So we all know that quarter 4 is filled with a lot of holidays like Christmas, Halloween, New Year, and a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of holidays showing up for this quarter 4 alone. You already know that holidays is all about buying. People are buying for themselves, for family, for friends, to celebrate the holiday. So getting a business idea that will help you make a lot of money or sales this period, it's a no-brainer. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 amazing side hustle opportunities that will make you a lot of money this period. Number 2 is my favorite, and that's because it's something you can learn in few days. Take action and you start getting result almost immediately. I'm super excited for you because I know if you watch this video to the end, take action on the steps I'm going to outline in the video, you're definitely going to see result in no time. Okay, let's jump right into it. So the first side hustle idea that can make you a lot of money this festive season is media buying. By media buying, I mean running ads for businesses. You know that festive season is a period of time business owners are willing to put their businesses or their product and services in the faces of their target audience. What other better way to advertise your business other than social media advertising? So if you know how to run ads, whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram ads, WhatsApp, Google or YouTube ads, you can make a lot of money this period because business owners are looking for a competent person who can advertise their business. So small and medium business owners in your area are willing to pay you handsomely to run advert for them. Now it's time you position yourself and make all the money from business owners within and around your vicinity. So how do you go about this? You just need to reach out to them, let them know that you can help them put their businesses in the faces of thousands and millions of their target audience through Facebook. So you build them, collect your service charge, and then you help them place these ads. A lot of businesses are open to this because it's one of the most affordable way of advertising. So if you already know how to run ads, you have an advantage. And in case you don't know how to run ads, you can learn that on YouTube. Just head over to YouTube and type how to run Facebook ads, and you're going to see a lot of videos that will give you a guide on how to get started doing that. Then you can also pay someone to teach you how to do this because it's an all year round kind of business. Every single day, business owners are looking for ways to get more customers, and getting more customers means advertising. The second side hustle idea that will make you a lot of money this quarter 4 is, drum rolls. Okay, it's my favorite, like I said, and it's short form content creation. Ever noticed how short form content like TikTok videos, YouTube shorts go viral? Guys, there's a lot of money in this, and that's why I want you to explore it. Now, every business out there needs video to promote their products and services, get their target audience attention, and be able to sell to them. This is where you come in as a short form content creator. So if you know how to create a 1-minute video that is captivating, loaded with information that will be able to sell a product, sweetheart, you would be in money because business owners out there need your services, especially this quarter 4, to be able to put their businesses in the faces of their target audience. So if you can create and edit captivating 1-minute video, you are hot cake this period because business owners out there are looking for you to pay you to create such marketing videos for them. I do mean business owners will beg you to collect their money and create such videos for them. Here are steps it takes to get started immediately. First is that you're going to learn how to create short videos. Now you can learn this from YouTube. So you're going to see a lot of videos on YouTube that will guide you on how to create short form video content. The next step is to learn how to edit video. Video editing is everything. It's actually what differentiates a good video from a bad video. So I have an online course that guides you step by step how to edit video like a pro using your smartphone. Here's the course, and it's very affordable. Click on the first link in the description of this video as well as the link in the first comment. So this mobile editing course covers everything you need to know and do to edit a quality looking video. So next step is to reach out to your target audience, your target customers, and offer them a free service. This is very important, especially as a beginner. for them to give you a review. So once you're done with this, you've gotten testimonials from your clients, the next step would be to pitch to them why they need video marketing, and in most cases you are going to get a lot of people interested because every business owner is looking to make sales. So anyone who can help them generate more sales in their business is a welcome idea. They'll be willing and glad to pay you to help them make more sales in their business. The last step is sit back and start packing the money. Just make sure to reach out to as many business owners as possible so you'll be able to get a good number of them come back to you for the service. So here are your target customers. These are people you should reach out to. You have content creators, bloggers, business owners, influencers, and brands. Each and every one of these people are willing to get quality content that will help them promote whatever thing they are selling. So they are your target audience. Reach out to them and position yourself to start collecting the money. Before I talk about the third side hustle idea, are you getting value from this? Let me know in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up. And in case you've not subscribed to the channel, I want us to be friends. So connect with me by subscribing to the channel video. The third side hustle idea is affiliate marketing. Now hold on. When you hear of affiliate marketing, what comes to your mind? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to break it down for you in a way you understand it. So affiliate marketing is basically you telling people about a product or service you may or may not have used that you're very sure will help them solve a problem. Remember, they already have a problem and they are looking for solution, and you are here now recommending. So affiliate marketing works best if you are someone who is known to create valuable content. People already know you are someone who creates content that help them solve a problem, provides answers to people's questions. So when you go on to make a recommendation, they simply believe you and they go on to take action. So if you're an influencer of any sort, or you genuinely care for people, you are known to create content that help people solve their problem, then affiliate marketing is a great way you can start making money today. Even if you are not an influencer, you can still make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. All you need is learn how to create valuable content around the product you want to promote. So how does it work? First, you pick a product or a service you want to promote to your audience. You're going to get the affiliate link, and you also get to know how much your commission is. So for every time people make purchases using your link, you'll be paid for bringing in the customer. Say for instance, you want to promote a wristwatch. This wristwatch is trending right now. A lot of people are looking for it. You start creating valuable content around this. You get to tell people why buy this particular wristwatch, various ways to rock the wristwatch, advantages of getting a good wristwatch, and a whole lot of other things that will make them buy the wristwatch. The next important question is, where do you get this product you can sell as affiliates? Google. So pick a product you want to sell, go on Google and type that product, then add affiliate to it. Let's say it's wristwatch you want to sell, you write wristwatch affiliate, and Google is going to bring list of products, companies, businesses, brands that are offering affiliate program for that product. So you go through the list and select the one you want, then you sign up as an affiliate. When people make purchases, the company itself will send the product to the buyer, and then you collect your commission. These are 3 side hustle ideas that will help you make a lot of money this Q4. Just go on and take action, and you're definitely going to get amazing results this season. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.